This is how to play Mini Matches Golf. Each pack contains Let's start by putting the obstacles together. Here is how to construct the windmill. Fold out the small arms in the centre of the sails and push them through the hole in the base. Now let's construct the bridge by first folding the triangular sides in and next folding the ends inward towards the centre. Bend the loop piece over the edge of a table to help curve the piece. Now fold the loop in on itself and link together using the slots. For the tunnel, bend both of the bottom ends along the fold lines. And bend both sides of the scoring ramp along the fold lines to create the ramp. For the zigzag pieces, fold the zigzag in half, then fold down the top edges. Now that we've constructed our obstacles, let's go through how to play the game. So first, decide how many holes you're going to play, for example 6 holes, then choose your golf club and ball colour. Starting with the youngest player, players take turns taking their first set of 5 shots. If the player successfully completes the course in their first 5 shots, this will count as 1 point. If a player fails to complete within 5 shots, they must leave their ball where it ended and let the other players play their shots. They continue their shots after others have taken their 5 shots. All obstacles on the course must be completed unless they are marked with a minimum number of attempts. If this number is reached, then the player may go around and skip the obstacle. Some obstacles carry point deductions, which are subtracted from a player's total score. After all players have completed the course, the next course should be set up and play continues. Zigzag play. Navigate through each zigzag. You can hit the walls, but must return them to their original position. Remember, you have to complete each obstacle on the course. So this player will use up their first 5 shots, so they will leave the ball where it lands and the next player will start. Before each shot through the windmill, the player must spin the sails. If the sails obstruct the entrance, then the shot won't go through and you must try again. Aim to go through the holes in the ramp. Each hole has different minus points. Once completed, retrieve the ball from under the ramp and place it at the end of the ramp to continue. This player will get 2 points deducted from their score. After completing all holes, the player with the lowest number of points is the winner. If 2 or more players finish with the same score, they can compete in a putt-off. Place a hole in the middle and tee off at separate ends of the table. Closest to the hole wins.